Hello everyone, myself Santosh Gyar, third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Study. This video I am talking about Tajikistan. The Republic of Tajikistan is a mountainous landlocked country in Central Asia. Afghanistan border from the south, Uzbekistan from the west, and the People's Republic of China from the east. Tajikistan is a home to some of the highest mountains in the world. Flag Tajikistan on March 20, 1953. Tajikistan added two horizontal strips, white over light green, to the Soviet red banner with its gold hammer and sickle and gold border red star. The green represented viticulture and agriculture produce, while white stood for the cotton that had made Tajikistan famous. Local currency of Tajikistan Somini and Dushanbe, the capital of Tajikistan. Dushanbe is the largest city as well as the cultural, political and economic heart of the country. Its center contains one of the world's tallest flagpoles. In the surrounding streets there are plenty of modern and Soviet architecture to admire as well as myriad museums, statues and historical sites reflecting the strong Persian influences in the city past. Its green city with many alleyways to duck into, but for many the fun is to be had shopping the Dushanbe Oriental Bazaar and trying to the delicious local food. Tajikistan known for is among the countries with the greatest potential for hydroelectric power in the world, and most of the electric power generated in Tajikistan hydroelectric. Tajik is the official language and is spoken by most people in Tajikistan, member of the Southeast group of Iranian language. The religion Tajikistan Sunni Islam is by far the most widely practiced religion in Tajikistan. Accordingly to a 2009 US State Department release, the population of Tajikistan is 98% Muslim, approximately 95% Sunni. Traditional dress: a tuning type shirt, white trousers, a quilted dressing gown, a waist scarf, a school cap or a turban, leather boots, galoshes with a pointed shoes. For men, tunic type dress, white trouser, a kericheps or a school cap for women. The national sport of Tajikistan is Gustigiri, a form of traditional wrestling. It's distinct for its colorful traditional. Facts of Tajikistan. Tajikistan is a highly mountainous nation. Over 90% of the territory of Tajikistan is mountainous. More than 900 rivers flows in Tajikistan. The country has a dense network of rivers. The country has a spectacular lake named after Alexander the Great. Let's talk about food. Tajikistan. Savory pastry sambuska baraki. The Ethiopian samosa is a sambusa. It's the classic fried savory pastry with the wrap around filling. Kuruto vegetable dish. Tajik lamb in an onion yogurt sauce with swirled flat bread. This is kurmo shurbo soup. Tajik soup constituting of both packed with meat and vegetables. Plo is the national dish in Tajikistan. It consists of cooked rice with beef and long cut carrots. It is refined with coriander, cumin, garlic and black pepper. This is Pamir Highway, connects Tajikistan with neighbor Afghanistan, Uzbekistan. There is no better way to see an array of breathtaking valley, spectacular mountain view and Skandarkul Lake is an excellent place for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping and swimming. It is a sandwich between the beautiful Fun Mountain. It is one of the largest glacial lakes in northwest. This is Murghab. It is the highest town in Tajikistan at 3,650 million above. This is the Pamir mountain. Khujand is a historical place in Tajikistan.